Hi Fauhowers, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out Instagram from all devices. This tutorial is very useful for you who wants to log out your Instagram account from all devices in order to make your Instagram account more secure. Okay, for the first, make sure that your phone has been connected to the internet. Once your phone has been connected to the internet, let's just open Instagram app. After opening Instagram app, you can just go to your profile. Just go to your profile by tapping your profile picture on the bottom right corner. In Instagram profile, you can see at the top right corner there is 3-line menu, and then you can just tap this. And then you can just tap settings. On the settings, you can just tap security. And in security, you can just tap password. Your password must be more than 6 characters and include a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters. Checking your password is the only way to log out your Instagram account from all devices. So if someone log into your Instagram account using a device, they will be automatically logged out. So your Instagram account will be more secure. To change your password, just enter your current password, and then you can make a new password and make confirmation of that new password. After doing this, your Instagram account will be logged out from all devices. I hope this tutorial is very useful for you and helping you in logging out your Instagram account from all devices. If you like this tutorial, just give thumbs up, and also don't forget to share this video to your friends who need these informations. Just click subscribe to this channel, and also make sure that you have turned on notifications so that you will be the first person I notify when I upload the latest video about social media tutorial. Thank you!